Learning curve. Learning curve is one of the techniques also that we use it to predict the cost for the labor. Assuming that you're working on a project and you need to estimate what would be the cost of this project, of course you need to consider the labor cost as one of the main or major costs that affect or impact the success of your project. Let's take this example to demonstrate how we could calculate the labor cost, including the learning curve. As you know, the more you work on a specific task, the faster you will be. This is the human nature. So let's take a look into this question. An operation management student would like to open a wood shop to make unique chairs. The first chair took 30 hours to make. Find the total time needed to make 4 unique chairs. So for the learning curve, we use the time to finish the first task equal to the time to finish task number n equal to the time needed to finish the first task times n, which is the number of units, to the power of s. And s can be calculated by log of the learning curve divided by the log of 2. The natural log of learning curve divided by the natural log of 2. And these are equations 10 and 11 in the textbook. So let's start with s. Finding s. S can be calculated by natural log of 0.96 because we know that the learning curve is 96. This is given in the question. Natural log for 0.96 divided by the natural log of 2, and that would give you negative 0.058. And now let's go ahead and calculate the time needed for the second chair. The first chair is already given. The second chair would be the time for making the first chair, which is 30, times n, which is 2, because we are on the second chair, to the power of s, which is to the power of negative 0.05. And that would give you 28.8 hours to make the second chair. The third chair would be the same thing, time to finish the first one, which is 30, times 3, because we are on the third chair, to the power of s negative of 0.05. And that would give you 28 hours, 0.12 to make the third chair. The fourth chair would be calculated, the time for the fourth chair would be calculated by multiplying 30 times n, 4, because we are in the fourth chair, to the power of s, which is the negative 0.058. Now, in order to find what the total time needed to make 4 chairs, you add all these numbers together. 30 plus 28 plus 28.12 plus 27.65, and that would give you 14.568 as the time needed to make all the 4 chairs. Thank you.